Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is the first time I am repairing a screen on a tablet. I decided to repair the screen on my son's tablet. And the first thing you need to do is figure out what version of tablet you have so you can buy the right screen. And a lot of the screens come with the kits, okay? It comes with the tools for you to remove the screen. But if you have your own tools, that would be good. The number one tool I think that you need though is a heat gun, which you can use a blow dryer, but a heat gun will help make the job a lot more easier, okay? The heat gun is to soften the adhesive around the screen, okay? If you try to take off the screen without heating it up, you're gonna have a long day. So this took me some time, even with the heat gun, because the screen was already cracked. So I was taking my time to take it off. They didn't want pieces flying around the place. They didn't want to crack it anymore. So I took my time and I pried it off piece by piece by piece. Also, make sure you're not heating up the edges too much because the heat gun can melt the other parts of the tablet and you do not want that. This is how the screen looked. And I had to record that part after because I forgot to show you guys the screen and I threw the screen away. So I had to show you guys after I already fixed it. But jumping back in the video, right now I'm cleaning up all the excess adhesive, making sure there's no pieces of screen remaining from the cracked screen. And yeah, just cleaning up right now. As you can see, we are ready to start putting the new screen back in. Right now, looks real clean and ready to me. Right now, we're putting the tape on, right? We want to add some double-sided tape or adhesive type tape because we need something to hold the screen in place. Even though when you put in the screen in, you'll feel like it's really snug already, but the tape is going to make sure that it's secure. If the screen that you bought does not come with the double-sided tape or adhesive tape or whatever, make sure that you get that as well. You can buy that from any store, a lot of times like Walmart, I think Home Depot, stores like that. And yeah. Now, like I said, guys, make sure that you're taking your time removing the screen, man. Just make sure. And be very careful with the new screen, okay? Because you do not want to break it. So right here, I'm putting on the tape. Now I have to remove the back of the tablet because the connector connects at the back of the tablet and it connects to the screen. All right, now we put in the screen in. We are going to connect the screen. Like I said, be very careful and make sure that you're not cracking the screen when you're putting it back in as well. Okay, so right now we're trying to get it snug, get it back in very carefully without messing it up and defeating the purpose of this screen replacement. There we go, guys. Brand new screen, ready to roll. Hopefully my son takes care of it this time and doesn't crack it again. But yeah, guys, this is how you replace a screen on a tablet.